Hi, my name is Pasindu Gunamuthu, MIT 181073. Um, this is MN506 System Management Assignment 1 Part B. So today's task is to select two monitoring tools in Linux systems and give an explanation and see the features, how they work and stuff. So I selected the monitoring tools atop and iftop, and let's go install them and see what they do. First, I'm going to get my Linux operating system. Here. I'm going to update first before installing everything. Um, so, so now it's updating, installing the updates. Yeah, let's install atop. Takes a while. We'll probably pause the video till it installs. Okay, we got it. So now let's type atop message, which basically gives us the help menu involved with atop command. We go here. So you can see it gives you different options which involves with atop command. So as an example, you can use atop space -c to sort processes in order of CPU consumption. That means once you type this command, it will sort the processes which are running at the moment according to their CPU usage. Let's go and have a look. So that's atop minus c. So you can see now it shows on here is the first line. It shows that the highest CPU using process 12% now, and then 8%, 6%, and likewise. So this allows a system administrator to check what are the processes which utilizes CPU maximum. So say in an working environment, there is a system administrator, and users complain about their um, their some sort of a issue in some systems, so that he can quickly type atop and atop my space minus capital C and see what are the processes which uses the processing power uh, a lot. So that's very useful for a system administrator. Then again, let's have another look. What else we have here? Yeah, you can sort the processes in order of memory consumption as well. Let's see what it does. Telling. Okay, yeah. You remember previously this was processor processing. So now it's memory usage. Still, the GNOME shell is using the 11% of the memory, and it goes likewise. And go back and see what atop command does default settings. Type atop. It default settings it gives the CPU usage, sorts the processes according to CPU usage. That's atop. Let's install iftop and see what it does. Let's again sudo apt so iftop and sudo. Right. This was supposed to give us the bandwidth utilizations like internet or the data going out and in. So the Okay, I quickly had to go and check what's going on because I couldn't see any processes going on as internet data packet communication. So just opened few web pages which might create communication. So now let's go again and see what this iftop command does. So if you say iftop sudo iftop, right, so now it shows us the communications, which bandwidth is allocated to which IP and things like that. So basically you notice that the differences between atop and iftop is mainly atop shows the processes and lots of advanced details which are in the system. So iftop commands uh, is completely showing us the communication uh, links and their link utilization. So let's go back and see what else iftop has. And search. um yeah, so see, if you use this command, you can filter IPv4 traffic, and if you use this command, you can filter IPv6 traffic. um so I think that was two very useful tools, because mostly in a corporate environment, users complain about bandwidth, they can't go into internet, things like that. So system administrator can certainly use the iftop command in a case like that. And sometimes they complain that their computer is slow, or they can't log into their things, something like that, which could be mostly inside the system, so that the system administrator can type it up and see what are the processes which utilizes most of the system's resources. um, so that's my presentation. Thank you very much for your time. I hope you enjoyed.